thing, you flare up. You pause every time. You are a fighter. You can't possess the power. Number two, if you are a type that David, please. If you are a type that talks no more, there's nothing you cannot say. And you say, as I am, I have no tongue to do words. You are a fool for that sake. If you are a talkative, you can't possess the power of God. If you are a person you like to, you are a person who keep malice, you don't forgive, don't use it, don't take the direction, you can't possess the power. Born more like that. There. So if you know you are a type of somebody that you get angry easily, I will remove J out of Jesus. My son is my Lord, turn it to devil for you. And he was carried by you can't possess the power of God. So as we are going home now, pray that Lord, remove me. Remove me. Sinners cannot possess the power of God. So all these things that said about God can do for you. I pray as you are going. Let me tell you, go and take a time for it. Pray. Extend this prayer beyond this place. Every year, every problem, they know their power. Every problem will always renew their power. So you need